Hi, once again, I'm back, Kausi Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss again in the same series as we are discussing how to make money. And here we are going to discuss a new topic, and that is all about your EPFO, Employee Provident Fund organization. I think most of the people, those who are already working even with some of the organization, I'm talking about the Indian companies and who are working in India currently. So they will be having all this benefit, and this is something called Employee Provident Fund benefit. Now, how exactly it works? So I'm just not going to discuss in details about the EPFO because this is not the discussion over here. We are just going to understand how you can make money even through this EPFO, and how we can save your money, how we can even make this even for an investment. So that is our main discussion over here. Now, in short, I just want to tell you, so somebody working, even somebody as a salaried person, even working for a company, as I mentioned, even India, even any of the Indian territories, somebody is working, and they will be getting the benefit according to their position. Different company, different even position, different even salary slam. So based on that one, they will be having this benefit. So this is again on a percentage, it will be calculated based on your basic salary, based on your totals CTC. What is your basic salary? On this basic salary, it will be calculated on your certain percentage. So I'm not going to discuss about this percentage because that again depends on company to company, that again depends on a lot of laws even changed by the government of India. So that's what it is, not even fixed. But yes, again, this will be on a certain percentage. So if you look out, it will be probably, let's say, around even 12% to 40% in between, even it will be somewhere, it will be working. Now, the benefit of this CPFO is all about, there will be, as an employer, even the employee also will also contribute, and as an employee, what I'm going to actually invest, that also even it will be part of my salary. So typically there will be double savings and double investment. So somebody is already getting this benefit. I hope I no need to explain more. So in some other video we are going to discuss the benefit, the other discussion about EPFO, but here we are going to discuss a different topic, how to make money. So here we have understood, so one savings, one investment, it is going to give you a double benefit. One is from your side as an employee, and another one it will be from your employer side. So both, even you are going to get this benefit, and both money is going to be invested in your EPFO account, whatever percentage that already I have told. Now, how to make money over here? That's my discussion. That is the question over here. So as I told you, so one investment, it is going to give you a double investment in terms of savings, in terms of your investment. Now, whatever percentage you are going to get, that also it is not fixed, as I told you. So between, let's say, if I take an example, let's say between even 8 to 9%, in between even someone this already even current scenario, if I look out, this percentage is already been declared. That is going to be calculated on your total deposited amount. I hope somebody is already working somewhere, so they are getting even a regular even like message, SMS, or let's say all the information went through their all whatever even media they have already even published to the company. Based on that one, they are getting the benefit also. Now, so the main part over here is, as we are into discussion of the how to make money. So here, by one investment or one even savings, it is going to give me a double savings or a double investment. That is the point number one. So let's say I'm just giving a simple example. So let's say somebody is going to invest, let's say, I mean, somebody is going to, let's say, working for a company, and based on their salary, even their whatever percentage when they are going to even deduct from their salary on the EPF account. So I'm going to even invest, let's say, 1,000 rupees. So again, company also, even as an employer, even they are also going to give me even another even 1,000 rupees, even adding on this account itself. So total how much? It will be 2,000. So like this, it can be 10,000, it can be 1 lakh, it can be more than that. So that calculation we are clear. Secondly, what we can understand, we can also understand this amount, how to make money. So percentage, contribution, the returns, that we understood so far. Now this I actually can increase also, so that is the very important point. So I want to give even more savings. I want to even increase my even investment over here. So that even respective HR of this company and whatever company you are working, so you can discuss. So they have a different policy, and you can discuss according to the policy itself. So that also another point. So the more you invest, the more you save. So definitely what is happening. So again, your rate of interest, again your percentage of your returns, it is getting more. So again, I'm going to make money. Now, the third point, which is very, very important, not only about my investment, not only about my savings, not only about double or maybe it is contribution from the employer also. This already we have understood the percentage, everything we have understood so far. Now the third point, it is very, very important. The percentage of your entire EPFO account, that is also going to decide when you are completing your entire even tenure of the job. Let's say if I take a typically retirement age of 58, so what will be your corpus based on that one? Again, there is a wages even calculation, and based on that one, your percentage of pension. So let's say somebody is working for a private organization, even they will be have a big even question in their mind. So how I'm going to adjust with my pension amount, how I'm going to get my pension, because no even private companies they are going to be even getting this benefit even as somebody, let's say, working for a government organization, or let's say a direct central or maybe even state government employee. So there even percentage of your amount you are again going to get as your pension amount, whatever even corpus you have made from your PPF. I mean from your EPF account. Clear? So one fund, one savings, you are going to get three unique benefits, and that way you can not only make money, you can also even adjust even all your expenses. It is also even your emergency fund also, as we have already beginning also we have already spoken. So this is also your emergency fund. Whenever you require, even whenever you need even some kind of help, you no need to borrow from any of financial institute, any of your relatives, anyone. You can even utilize for your own money, even from your own even EPFO account itself. What else you want? Any more questions, any more doubt? Definitely you can come back to me. You can ask even a lot of queries even through me in my chat box, in my mailbox. So I'll be the happiest one to answer even all your queries. Thanks for watching.